Hello guys, welcome back ulit sa ating fishing adventure. Guys, nandito tayo ulit sa Comra. Mga master, nasa what? Alcumra area. Dito sa Cornish, tabing dagat guys. Magpipishing ulit tayo, no? Ang ating kasama, siyempre walang iba kundi si Master Bambam. Master,
Hi guys.
Isadag Master, come. Look here, where are you? Cannot see you.
Hello. Now we are in Alcumra. Today again we'll try. Hopefully we'll catch big fish. Small no problem. Both will catch. So after we'll catch, we'll show you. Okay? Well, yeah.
Catch and cook again.
Catch and cook, of course.
So yung guys, ayun mga master, ang ating ngayon, no? Activity. Unfortunately, napakababa ng tubig, low tide. Kaya siguro itatry namin dito sa area na another location, new location. Baka sakaling dito kami makahuli kahit yung maliliit lang guys, kasi puro maliliit eh. Yun ang hulihin natin ngayon, yung maliliit mga master. Baka sakali lang. So yun ang ating update ngayong araw na to. Unang fishing adventure namin ni Master Bambam sa 2026, year 2026, January 2. Kasi January 1 may pasok pa kami. So January 2, morning na pala, no? What time now is
1:30.
yeah, 1:30 in the morning. So that's why January 2 na. So yun, ang ating update muna guys. Standby tayo at baka sakaling tayong pagpalarin ngayon na makahuli ng mga maliliit na canoping or sahor o long nose emperor yata ang tawag doon. Saka doon sa location namin mga master, ang daming tao. Tapos yung mga bato naglabasan kasi mababa yung tubig. Kaya dito muna kami nag-transfer ni Master Bambam sa ibang location. So update lang tayo guys. Subok tayo kung sakasakali baka tayo papalarin. Okay? Sige. Lagyan natin ng alarm para maalaman kung may mahuli. Pag hindi natin lagay. Yan. Natin ang patunog yan. Master, got something? Huh? I think water now is go high. High tide, see? Here. See? But there everybody is still there. So we can transfer there. Ito master, mga master, ito si Master Bambam mo.
Sir, I need to cook double hook. Sir,
I need double hook. How many double? Double, it means 4, huh?
Yeah, because this is also big hook, you know.
I will put big, all double ha, big hook.
No, this one is small.
Ito mga master oh. Mataas na yung tubig. Kanina natuyo yan eh. Kaya pa high tide na. You have to transfer this one there. Seems in my rod. High tide na guys. Ang tanong kung makakahuli tayo. So yun guys, nagkabit na ako ng isang maliit na ano, isang rod. Guys, what time now, Bam Bam? 2:30 na ng umaga. Simula kanina negative, 0 pa rin tayo mga master. So gawin natin ngayon mga master, magkakape muna tayo. Ayan oh, si Mr. May baon kasi kami guys na ano, yan, thermos, yan, may coffee, tinapay, yan, may mga bread, water. But we are zero. Kape tayo guys, kape. Kape tayo mga master.
Kape tayo boss.
Sada. Very tasty your coffee. How many spoon of coffee you put?
It's true, Magasar.
Yeah. Maybe I will not sleep 1 week.
Good. Good, I like.
Yeah, it's here in the pum.
No, I see that here.
Scissor there, inside the, look. Here.
The white scissor, you know.
Yeah, also there, it's here. Where you keep the scissor? This is there. See scissor there, white. So yun guys, ang ating update no. Wala pa rin, 2:30 na ng almost 3 o'clock.
2:35.
2:35 na ng ano, ng madaling araw no, mga master. So wala pa rin tayong nadadali kahit isa, even Master Bambam 0. They put a lot of fishing gear there. How many door? 4?
4 with special handy.
So try natin hanggang mamayang umaga. Doon kasi guys, hindi kami nakapisto doon sa dati naming pwesto kasi ano, daming tao. So yun ang ating update. Wala pa tayong huli so far. Finally guys, nakahuli tayo. Kalalagay ko lang, kinain agad ng ano, yung maliit na isa. Ayan o, madamo pala doon. As in literal talagang maliit lang huli natin. Ayan o, lunok pa. Maliit lang talaga. Pwede na yan. Kaysa 0. Yan isang maliit. Sahur. Lunok eh. Aray. Maliliit guys talaga isda dito. Suhor. Suhor na maliit. Huli natin. Nadali rin ang isang maliit. Lagyan natin sa ano, sa ating cooler. Yan. So yun guys, nadali tayo na isa. Pagkabaksag kinain ka agad. Ating papainan uli. Yeah. Mia. Really? Huh? Try maybe still there, yeah.
Still there, yeah? Good.
This big tribal.
Oh, Mia, Makaisar. Congratulations. Only tail, yeah? Crazy. Yeah, close slowly, yeah. Yeah, no, next slowly, yeah. Need to cut.
In action or no action?
Yeah, in the action, Makaisar. Yeah. Yeah, almost near, yeah.
This one cut jump, huh? Alato.
Of course, Makaisar. If anyone not found, but I'll try to jump, yeah. Yes, Mia.
White.
White one, yeah? Mia, Makaisar, yeah. Oh, big Makaisar, yeah. Make up slowly, yeah. Yeah, sahur, yeah. See? Congratulations, Makaisar. Congratulations, I told you. You sure? Don't run. You know the grass, Makai. See? Yes. See? Mia. Wait.
Sure?
Yeah.
Mia.
Mia.
Big one.
Big one this one, yeah.
Big sure.
Yeah. Congratulations, Mela. Take out. Eat completely, yeah?
Yeah.
Mia. Bring long nose, yeah? Long nose.
We have long nose.
Yeah. See? Yeah. Big.
We'll throw this one, huh? Because
No,
we can get only small.
No, please. Don't do like this.
Eh? It.
Oh, take care. Now you target only small, yeah? Okay. Now is first one to catch. No, to throw. Oh, scared Malaysia. This is scared of the other, but scared for the fish now.
Come. Cannot see where is the they bite.
Big, you know, they complete.
Yeah, eat this. Eat this one.
Yeah. Don't remove the stomach, remove the hook. Good, doctor. Yes. Mia, Malaysia. See? Big. This one is GT Malaysia?
No, the sohor.
So, yeah.
This one, the one we cut. Oh. Guys, I have
Yeah.
three now. Three.
Yes. Congratulations, yeah.
See, Master Bambang, he catch one. Again. Oh, two.
Do now.
Okay.
Yes. Yeah, so like this, even 10 pieces, 20 pieces. Yeah. Please. Eat.
Dead already?
No, still alive.
Yes, this one. There inside. Oh.
Wow.
I saw the hook there. 1 minute. I saw the hook there. Take.
Okay.
It open the mouth.
Okay.
I'll remove it.
Still. No, wait.
He is there. It's here in the gill.
Yeah, don't cut the hook. Bring out.
Yes. Alas, Mia. Okay. Oh.
Better than there, huh?
Better than there, yeah. Even you're catching here, see?
Alas, now all, huh?
Yeah, this one I saw this big sound, you know, grrr like this, yeah.
Yan, loose. Kahuli ulit tayo guys ng isa. Yan naman yung may nunal naman. Malaki na. Yan. Mabuti pala rito sa area na to guys. Yung napistuhan namin kasi baka may malaki dyan mamaya. Bago magliwanag, maglagay ako ng ano, baka makakadali tayo ng malaking tribali. Yan o, kahit pa paano, nahuhuli tayo guys ng ano, ng maliliit. Pang ano, pwede na ito pansabaw, saka prito. Yan, ito yung ating latest ngayon. Pang ano na to guys, pang apat. Pang apat na o pang lima yata. Pang-apat ko ng huli pala to kay Bador, dalawa. Okay. Again guys, nakadali si Master Bambam. Yan. Oh. Sahur na naman, Master.
Sahur.
Oh. Kanuping.
Kanuping.
Yeah, see, big. With Master.
Master, yeah, kanuping.
Master, Mr. Kanuping. Oh. Dahil naman si Mr. Kanuping. How many now? 3?
Now 3.
I have 2 times bite there but all cut the line.
Oh, Mia holding si
Yeah.
Come makasya doon pa rin. See? Kanuping.
Oh, Mia. Spurla. For our lunch. All lunch. So yun guys. Tayo guys, no? Time check muna tayo. 6:30 na ng umaga. Maliwanag na. So, yun. Kahuli rin tayo siguro mga 8 piraso na maliliit. O mga 10 ganong piraso. So, ito. Nag-try kami magpaanod ng estero. Baka makadali kami ng malaking isda. Tribali. Yan si Master. Master!
Cast Trivali, yeah. I will cast Trivali big. About 10 kg.
Guys, so nakita nyo na mga master, yung kulay puti na yan, yung paanod namin, baka sakaling makadali kami ng GT. Dito sa styro yan, andyan yung pain namin, papaanod namin sa hangin. Baka sakaling kaso parang bumabalik, pabalik yata yung hangin. Yun nga guys, oh. Catch me if you can.
Yeah, we'll cast don't the good challenge. We already accept this challenge. Yeah.
Wala guys, medyo tayo, hindi naman zero, pero marami din kaso hindi ganong malalaki. Pang lang, pang survive, mga 2 ulaman. You want coffee, Master? Coffee? Maliit guys, maliliit. Maliliit ang isda dito guys. Ay, naiwan yung kapatid. Guys, ito ang ating update ngayon na 11:24 na ng umaga, no? Tatanghali na, maghahapon na naman. So, ito ang nangyari, siguro hindi ko na nabilang, baka mga 12 piraso na maliliit. So, ang huli namin, tapos ngayon 12:24 na ng umaga, uuwi na kami. At lulutuin natin yung ating makahuli at tayo kakain ng tanghalian. So yun ang ating update ngayon guys sa ating fishing adventure ulit guys dito sa Comra. At wala, hindi tayo pinalad na makahuli ng GT. Unfortunately walang GT at nakahuli naman tayo ng mga maliliit lang kasi yun talaga ang target namin. Kasi nga last time nag-target kami ng malalaki pero walang nadali kaya bagong isip, bagong plan. So yun ang ating update guys at ito si Master at naghugas siya ng Bibsi at kami inom ng Bibsi.
Pepsi, not Pepsi.
Okay?
Yes, sir.
Let's go, Master.
Pepsi, yeah.
Guys, mga master, nandito na tayo sa ating kusina. At tayo, ito ang huli namin, 14 na piraso na isda. Yan. 14. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Kasama yung mga yung mga pitos pa lang. Bago pa lang kapapanganak, nasama sila, namatay. Yan ang huli natin guys. Malalaki na rin guys. Oh, yan. Laki na oh. Yan. Yan, malalaki na. Aray! Ay, naloko na. Sugatan ako ah. Tigas ito. Yan, malalaki na, di ba? Yan guys, yung huli natin. Namin ni Master Bam. Yan, ang huli ni Master Bam ito eh. Malaki oh. Ang huli ni Master Bam. Ito, buhay pa mga Master oh. Ano bang i-comment nyo guys? Kung anong tawag sa inyo ng isda na to. Kinukuha nung kabayan natin nung kinakain daw to eh. Di subukan ko i-preto. Yan oh, buhay pa oh. Gumagalaw-galaw yung buntot. So, yun guys, ang huli natin so far sa ating fishing adventure ngayong second day ng ng January 2026. Hindi tayo pinalad na makadali ng GT, mga master. So ito, luluto tayo magtatanghalian with adobo onion. So guys, si Master Bambam na tumira oh.
Hey guys, I'm cooking this what you got? Onion, tomato,
adobo.
Adobo, yeah, our favorite.
Yeah, adobo for our ulam.
Olam, yeah.
And we'll fry the
Fish,
fish
yeah.
and shrimp.
Shrimp, yeah. Tingita.
Okay.
La 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 la. Brang, brung, brung. Buat ada di kamera.
Nala fry, run.
Timah fry. Oh ya. I'm good like this. Kita timpal ngobrol sama mereka. Sip dok ya sih.
Sana. What's that, Bambam? Adobo?
Adobo ya, kita fry. Put soy sauce, with sugar.
Yeah. Put black pepper. There is chili already, right?
Yeah, I put chili powder.
No. This is black pepper.
Black pepper there.
But this grind, yeah. Powder.
Powder, yeah.
Not this
Whole.
only little, to make smell only.
Okay.
Yeah, adobo. Yeah, see, adobo. Okay na, Master?
Yeah.
Adobo, ah?
Adobo, yeah. Well known how to prepare adobo now. It's favorite.
What happened? You
No,
want?
because I don't feel hot, you know, yeah.
Okay.
It's already hot, yeah. That's my trick.
Man. Because when you remove from the hook already dead, you know?
Yeah.
So what you'll do?
You know, yeah.
No need to throw. It was already dead. Master Chef. Master Bam Bam. Yeah, this is Master Chef. See? They put soy sauce. Okay. Don't put too much. Alas. It will be, maalat or salty. It's salty like brother, ha? Hindi pala. Only little sugar. To taste only. Little bit salty and
Sweet, yeah.
sweet. Or with tomato, it will be sour little bit. With soy sauce or adobo with chili, with black pepper, with adobo, onion adobo. I think this kalas, yeah, adobo man. Finish? No, this one still. Okay. Okay, so yan, kakain na tayo. Prito, tsaka hipon. Yan. Yan yung pamain natin. Hindi kinain isda, prituhin natin. Ulam, ito yung huli natin. Yan, yan. Tapos adobo. Yan, oh. Yummy. Ito yung ano natin. Bunga ng pagpupuyat. Yan. Master, come. We're late na. No, I will wash my... We'll eat na, guys. Okay.
Bit ya?
Good, because crunchy.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
No, really good. No problem. Eat your adobo.
No.
See? Onion.
Yeah. Cut the onion out of the
Meow.
dry fish one.
No,
Crunchy.
one.
Crazy.
Favorite. See how
Take
it's
all
big.
is for ya. It's not kaban of it. It's kind of like this to make crunchy, you know.
Yeah.
But he didn't feel lazy to clean.
Huh?
He didn't feel lazy to clean, you know. Yeah.
I'm not feeling this order to clean. Where is it to clean?
Very fast you clean, you know. Clean. Yeah. You need to take them to Java. Yeah. Try clean. Yeah. If they don't like it, try that.
Done? So, guys, mga master, sob na tanghali natin.